So now that we have this function complete, it's time to use this function. So this function insert posts into HTML. It takes the posts. So we need to call it from the AJAX response. Here I'm gonna here call it after we have converted the JSON response into JSON. We need here to call insert into, or just let me say here insert posts into HTML. And to do that, we need to call the insert posts into HTML, and it takes, what does it take? It takes the JSON response. It takes the JSON response because this JSON response in our case is this JSON, is this array with all of these data, all of these posts. So here I'm gonna pass the JSON response. And now if I save, let me save and refresh and show you something wonderful is gonna happen. Something marvelous is gonna happen. Let me refresh and show you how marvelous it is. If I refresh, guess what? We have all of the data being displayed. This is just fantastic. As you can see, with a push of a button, I got 100, almost 100 posts, exactly 100 posts from a service, from a service that provides just some data here, and now users can read all of these posts. So this is super powerful. Using AJAX is super powerful. It doesn't interfere with your user interface, and it also gets the data super quickly.